Room 21 Rockstar families, and welcome to our weekly VODCAST, the final VODCAST of the 2015 year as we know it. I hope that you guys are having a great weekend, and I hope that you are gearing up for winter break. We have a very short week this week, 2 days, and then we are off to winter break and into the year 2016. So a couple of quick announcements, and then I'm going to send you off to the strategy session, the very short strategy session for the week. First of all, I would like to congratulate Noah Bird as this week's Rockstar of the Week. Noah was absolutely exceptional on our trip to Hartfield's Assisted Living Center this week and the Spotsylvania Town Center. You know, he really put his incredible conversation skills, manners, and greetings to play with many of the residents at the Hartfield's Assisted Living Center, and we were just so incredibly impressed with Noah. So congratulations go out to Noah Bird, this week's Rockstar of the Week. Interims were sent home on Friday. You received both the Barrett Academy and the Stafford County Public Schools interim. Please review those. If you have any questions, you can ask me about them. And let's try to send them back in with a signature before winter break. You know, attached to the interims this quarter was a little bit of your scholars' poetry. You know, I really wanted you to be able to see what they were writing, so they were able to select what they wanted to show you. And that was included with the interim. You know, they have just been absolutely exceptional and achieving amazing things. So I just wanted you guys to see that and just see how incredibly awesome and amazing that your Room 21 Rockstar scholars truly are. And then finally, coming up on Tuesday afternoon, we will be watching Ice Age Continental Drift. So make sure you fill out that permission form. Bring it back in. If you'd like to contribute some type of food item, I do have a sign-up genius list that I created. The link is in this week's email. It's also available on our class webpage. You can send something in if you would like. Again, that will be Tuesday afternoon. So, you know, believe it or not, we do have some incredible learning ready to kick off here this week in Room 21, both tomorrow and on Tuesday. So it's going to be a great week, guys. A short week, but we're still going to be doing a ton of different things in class. And one final message, I just want to say happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to all of you, the Room 21 Rockstar family. You know, you guys truly are the best families in Stafford County. And, you know, you are just amazing. The support that you have for Barrett Academy, for the incredible, just continuous support of the mission of our classroom. It really just helps us to go to new heights, and I cannot wait to spend 2016 with your scholars because they are truly amazing, incredible, and I'm so very proud of them. So I hope that you guys have a very, very Merry Christmas and a happy holiday season, and I'll see you guys in 2016. Now I'm going to send you over to the strategy session, which is pretty short this week, but you know, maybe your scholar will need something to do over break. So I will include a few things here, and then I'll see you guys on the other end. Okay, Room 21 Rockstars, I'm starting you out on our class homepage. I have a couple of strategies this week. You know, I know this week is getting busy and we're into the holidays, but if for some reason over break, maybe you have a day when you have some downtime, there are some things available on our class website that you can take advantage of and also earn yourself some house points. If you look at the house point race, guys, this year has been by far the closest race that we have ever had. You know, every week we have a new first place winner at Academy time, and every house is within about 150 points of the other. So, you know, every single point will count, as we learned last year, and I think as we will most likely learn this year. So let's head over to the VODCAST section. Let me show you what I have up going on here. So I have all of our decimal computation work. You know, you can go under there, practice any of that, and you can earn yourself a house point each, okay, for anything decimal computation related. There are some problems also down here. I have a holiday logic puzzle. This is a matrix that has a lot of different areas that you can that you have to figure out, okay? So you may want to, you can copy this. You could just write it down on a sheet of paper. You could print it out, anything that works for you, and then use the clues to find that as well. Our math challenge of the week is kind of fun. I have it up on the board. Obviously, we only have a few days in class to complete it, but if you do it over break and then bring it back when we get back in January, you know, I'll give you the points for the challenge this week as well. This time around, you have to write a numerical expression, so think about what that means. Okay, we're not talking about a number sentence, so we do not have an equal sign. Okay, so go back to our times when we were talking about order of operations and talked about the word expression. Okay, and obviously numerical means numbers. Okay, and it has to include at least 4 different numbers, and you must use parentheses, division, multiplication, subtraction, and addition in your numerical expression. And when we simplify your expression, it must be equal to 10. Okay, so that's going to take a little bit of thinking. You guys did that on your order of operations test for your 4 opportunity way back. I think you had to create an expression that was equivalent to 12, but I think that I gave you the numbers for that one. So now we're kind of taking this notch up, and now you have to give me the numbers. You have to think about the arrangement and go from there. Okay. A hint for this might be to choose your numbers up front. So say, for instance, choose 4 numbers, and then figure out how can I move these around, how can I put parentheses, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction into this number, in between these numbers to make it equal 10. Okay, so because remember, order of operations can work in your favor. So that might be a way to look at it and to help you out. I chose this picture this week, guys, for our writing because I thought it was cool. If you look very closely at this sign, now this is a primary picture. Okay, if you look right here, okay, the billboard, which we still have today, they had back in the 1930s, says, "Next time, try the train, relax." Okay, now if this photo was taken in the 1930s, okay, think about the irony of that sign if you were Billy Joe's Family, for instance, okay? And then you can write to that, bring that on in. I love to read you guys' poetry. Allie had some awesome poetry last week that she brought in. And try to include something that includes that descriptive language, but also at the same time includes the figurative language as well. And as always, you guys can get on to the logic puzzles and earn yourself some house points right here each and every day over break or anytime that you have a little bit of downtime, okay? If you get some type of new electronic device, maybe you can fire up Mr. Reichard's Rockstar webpage and check it out from there as well, and you can stay connected to us at all times, guys. You know, the secret hashtag for this week is very fitting. Hashtag winter break. Okay, it is finally that time. We are getting into a new year. We are going to do so much in the year 2016, scholars. It is going to be amazing. So that is the very last strategy session of the year 2015. Now I'm going to send you back over to Mr. Reichard. Okay, Room 21 Rockstar families, I hope, as I said, that you guys have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Happy holidays. So great to have you all as a part of the Room 21 Rockstar family. You guys are amazing. I love you all. You're incredible. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact me, and I will see you guys in the year 2016.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels